Good carpenter always has nails. What broke? What's it not doing? Your trigger return spring probably broke. Hold on, I think I was filming. That's cool. Let's check it out.
Luckily, it's not a Sig.
So what's it doing?
It's not firing. It's not going bang.
So tap rack like you're supposed to. Yeah, so
Still not banging.
Your trigger bar return spring, clear it out. Guess who has one? Because he's seen these brakes so much. This guy.
That's what's up.
Yeah, let's take it apart.
All the way?
Yeah.
Can you reset the trigger pushing it forward?
Yeah, but I mean it's dead in the water. So here's what we got to put in. I said, look, I think I got 2 left. So when another Sig breaks, I've got 1 more extra to have on the range. It just cracked. It just wore out. You know, they're not made to do this. Here you can see she sheared off. And, you know, that's just a spring, right? Springs have lives. And this one's life is done. So there's the failed spring. I've got 3, bro.
Dang.
I thought that, so those must have been 3 per when they sent those.
It's like a gold trigger.
Yeah. So before and after. So I think there's a lesson here for everybody though. So this gun's done. This has happened to me personally numerous times, too many times. It's also happened to my nephew. It's happened to, I see it at Class and Up that I have these springs with because these guns got so popular. So let's not have that happen anymore. Yes, sir. So you go around the apple tree and then through the lobster patch and then into the circus museum, and then
Dang.
There you go. You've got
A working trigger.
You've got a working trigger again. So I mean that is you know, a truism though. This shit, people do this all the time, right? You have brakes and then you don't because they fucking, the wear surface disappears. So it's worth taking a good hard look at that stuff. These kinds of things you should just own, and you don't wait for them to break, especially if it's your carry gun. You freaking swap it out before it breaks, you know, because this is your carry piece that you're training with. So
it is, yeah.
You would have got that.
I would have died there.
And you know what's funny? Not funny. What if your last round today was the live round, and then the next one, you know, you're like,
yeah, was that one, yeah.
And it was that one, right?
Yeah. That would have sucked.
That would have sucked. That would have sucked. You would have had to switch to your jiu-jitsu and your death ray vision or something.
Yeah, thank you. Now I got the gold gun back.
Mm-hmm. Why did you put the gold in there?
You know, I don't know. It was for sale on the website, so I bought it.
Why don't you go function test it?
Will do.
I'll film you from here.
Thanks.
Yeah. Eyes and ears, eyes and ears.
Eyes and ears.
All right. Does it work? Well, that sucks. Yoni's a good buddy of mine. I'm glad that we happen to have that part in my toolkit on the range. The lesson there is figure out which parts in your gun have a replacement cycle and don't wait for them to just catastrophically break. Unless you're trying to pressure test it and see how long the gun goes until breakage, you know, that's something else. But if it's the gun you carry, find out what the cycle is on those parts, buy them, and have them replaced before they go bad. This is just like brakes on your car, tires, and things like that. You don't wait till your tires are bald and blow out to buy new tires. When they are at the end of their life, if you are doing the right thing, you replace that stuff. So too should it be with your firearms. Check with the manufacturer, check with a gunsmith or an armorer if you don't know. Be well. Don't be dickheads. Hopefully we see you on the range real soon. While we're talking, The Carry Trainer University is open, and we are doing a temporary 50% price cut for anybody that's interested. The Carry Trainer University helps you take your training program to the next level so that you too can travel around teaching people how to be better at protecting themselves and others. Be well. Bye now.